hit Chairman 10?
Yes.
That's 500 people?
Yes.
Should I shake hands on this?
Yes, shake hands with me right now. Let's go.
Oh my God. No.
Stay in. Huh? Stay in.
The only difference between the rich and wealthy and the broken poor, those who are struggling, living paycheck to paycheck, trying to make ends meet, is access to information. All of you got the access to information that is creating legacies, guys. If you make the right decision, I can tell you this, you might have 99 problems, but money will never be one.
You'll learn
so
it.
far, Jesus, like, I wouldn't know that.
You'll learn the decimal points. I'm not going to get into it. Each pair is 4 decimal points, and it teaches you how to do the math. You're up $20, meaning you're up 2 pips right now.
Yo, Ray, I'm ready. What's up? Huh? I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to put on a short, flip-flops.
The thing is, he has to hit, I told him I'll pay his membership, and he has to hit Chairman 10 in 2 months.
And you pay my whole year rent.
And if he do that, I'll pay his whole year rent.
You are ready yet?
If he hit Chairman 10 in 2 months.
He won't hit Chairman 10.
Watch me.
Right. Yeah, right.
So yeah, I got this guy in my building. You probably seen him on a couple videos already. But yeah, his name is Jose, you know. I honestly don't even know how we met. I think he knocked on my door asking for like a plunger or some shit. I don't even remember. I call him Mr. Bitcoin. That's his nickname, AKA Bitcoin. And I don't know, everybody he talked to, that's the first thing he talk about is Bitcoin. So should I shake hands on this?
Yes, shake hands with me right now. Let's go.
Oh my God. No.
Stay in. Huh? Stay in and chill, bro.
You want me to do a lap?
Yeah, do a lap.
Hey, what's up, world? It's Jose. You know.
This is the plan. We're gonna make a list of 100 people. Okay, we're gonna make a list of 100 people right now, and we're gonna start calling these people. We actually have an event on Tuesday with one of our top leaders, Ivan Tapia, and we're gonna get these people plugged into the event on Tuesday and help this man hit Chairman 10. You ready?
I'm ready. I jumped on the pool. So I met this guy in my building. I don't know what his name is. I think it's Ray. See, I don't know how I met him. I think actually somewhere in the middle of the night, I asked him for a plunger, you know, but, you know, I call him Mr. Forex, because that's the first thing he's going to talk about when he meets you.
Yeah, so check this out. If he doesn't hit Chairman 10 in 60 days, 2 months, he gives me a full Bitcoin.
Oh! Did you check on that?
We did.
Yeah, it's on video.
Lick shake?
Nah, it's on video.
He's a cool guy. I've been trying to beat him in basketball, but he's running away from me. I don't know why.
Start making your list.
Yeah, start making your list right now, bro. Those who say those who you think won't will, and those who you think will, they won't. So don't exclude anybody.
I'm not including nobody.
One Bitcoin coming your way, right?
I know. I'm about to get rich.
Who do we see?
Tory Lanez.
Oh, you are in the middle.
Alright. Hey.
I got a quick picture with him. Pretty dope.
Got it.
It's like when you with me, you with God. Remember that, alright?
In life, you can either be happy or you can delay your happiness. And that's some talent. I want to be happy right now.
Yeah, but now we can sing it.
Is that a good?
I'm gonna hit Chairman 500 in 2 year time, so I can prove this man wrong because he's dining on my skills.
So you're gonna hit Chairman 500, right?
In 2 years. It's not gonna happen.
You know how many sleepless nights I had just to hit Chairman 10 in 30 days? Just to launch the business off the ground, the type of work that we had to put into this is like,
So people like to sleep and drive normal cars. I like to not sleep and drive Lamborghinis.
If you really say you can do it, I believe you. Let's make it happen.
I'm a man of my words.
If you say you can do it, let's make it happen.
I'm a man of my words.
Let's make it happen, man.
Can you record me now?
This is Bitcoin versus Forex.
See,
this is what happened when you learn how to trade the markets and you understand it. You get shit like this. You gotta stand up and do it, bro.
no. I want to have the biggest financial freedom in the world.
They say money don't grow on trees, right?
It doesn't. They actually do grow on trees.
What's money made out of?
It's made of paper that grows on trees.
What's paper made out of? Leaves.
trees.
What's leaf made out of?
Trees.
Huh?
Trees.
And what's a tree?
A tree
It's a
is
seed, right?
Yeah.
So money does grow on trees.
money is
You just have to understand money. Once you understand money, it's good. You're good.
You got to
right.
yeah.
They say don't talk to strangers.
That's why the more you
They
read
say money doesn't grow on trees. They say go to school to do what?
to get a job,
Get good grades. To do what? Get a good job.
so you can struggle
So
financially.
you can get a job just to pay for that education, that BS degree that you got.
I do go to school, and I'm not hating on school. I do go to school myself, but you pretty much going to school to learn a skill to work for somebody else's dream, to work for somebody else's Lamborghini while you drive a Prius.
Priuses are pretty
There's
cool.
nothing wrong with a Prius, but
Prius is a pretty.
I have a
dope-ass
Prius.
car.
you But you got Krispy Kreme inside.
25 minutes to get some donuts. That's
You don't know
I'll do
how
that.
much Krispy Kremes I've eaten in my life.
I think I'll do it too.
I can make you five.
You really like a fucking pervert.
I can make you 5K. Say something for the camera.
You want to say?
Yeah.
Don't break the camera. Don't break the camera. First they're gonna break your ass.
So I'm gonna open. Listen, can I record throughout the whole room? I'm gonna use this as a.
Hey, Bitcoin is a scam.
What is the person? I want to find someone else in the street. Like, I want to make an experiment. I'll be like to hot girls. I'll go to hot girls and be like, excuse me, I don't know if I'm a hole in the wall, but I just want to ask you a couple questions. Number one, you know what Bitcoin is? Number two, do you have a boyfriend? Number two, can I have your number?
Hey, this the pervert outfit right here. You got the big trench coat jacket. He does look warm though, right? I say what up. Why would you jump in the front? You the Uber? Yeah.
You know he's lying now?
Man, get in the fucking car, man. Start asking questions. Don't tell him my first name.
Just found out your real name, bro.
Current function not available.
What you got, bro?
Vehicle is moving. Current function not available. Add phone. The system is searching for your phone. Command not recognized. Pairing error. Phone. The system is searching for your phone. Say yes or no.
Yes. I got it. Swag.
You just had to yell at it.
Jose Rodriguez iPhone. Connected.
Right now we out here in Wynwood, down here in Miami, with an art basel. We're about to go check out the art galleries and everything. Just have some fun tonight, get out and explore.
Mama, I fucked up. Get me out of here. I got caught for being too awesome.
Bitcoin scam. Bitcoin scam.